Welcome, fam. You don't feel sore, but you don't feel sharp either. That low-grade fog, it's not laziness, it's a body waiting for permission to activate. Let's wake up your whole system. Light, strong, and steady. Let's hit the mat. We start upright because vertical movements lift more than your legs. It lifts your energy. This is about rhythm, not rushing. You're not warming up for a sprint. You're showing your body it's time to rise. Stand tall, bring your right knee up towards your chest, lower it with control. Alternate sides, arms moving naturally. Keep your breath steady and your posture proud. You're going to feel a light core activation, hip moving, hip flexor mobile, it lifts through the chest. This primes your nervous system, activating your center of gravity and your circulation. You'll feel more alert with every step. We'll add more power through your core next. Pause for half a second at the top. Feel your balance sharpen. Are your shoulders slouching or standing with you? That just energized your stride. Now let's turn that lift inward. Here's where control meets movement and your center gets a wake-up call. We shift into coordination, a moving crunch that warms up your core without hitting the floor. Stand tall, put your hands behind your head and crunch forward, leaning towards your waist. Engage the core, not momentum. Move steady, breathe smooth. You're going to feel a deep core contraction, hips and shoulders working together. Activating the core standing up helps you carry strength into real life, into walking, lifting, and staying stable. Standing ab work taps into your balance and posture muscles. Hold each crunch 1 second longer. Control the return. Are you collapsing inward or standing strong through the core? That just lit up your core up. Let's spiral that energy outward. Movement in circles rewires the spine, hips, and brain. Now we mobilize hip freedom in 360. This is your space to explore. Make it smooth, make it yours. Stand or kneel, place hands on hips or let them hang. Begin to circle hips clockwise, back, side. After 30 seconds, switch directions. You're going to feel a stretch through the lower back, hips, and obliques. Smooth rhythm through your whole core. Circular mobility improves joint health and reduces stiffness. It also activates the muscles that keep you stable without locking you up. We'll now drop into a squat. Your hips are ready. Can you make the circle bigger without losing balance? Is your movement free or restricted by habit? That just rewired your center. Now let's put it into practice. This is where balance, mobility, and strength meet, and truth is revealed. This movement exposes your limits and expands them. Feet wider than hips, drop into a deep squat, right hand on the floor, left hand reaches to the sky in a twist. Return to center, switch sides. Stay low, stay lifted. You're going to feel your inner thighs, hips, spine all rotating as one. Strength and length in your foundation. Twisting in a squat improves posture, thoracic mobility, and joint alignment, all while waking up your lower body. This move stimulates digestion and increases spinal fluid flow. Keep your hips low and your reach high. 5 more seconds. Are you moving from your spine or faking the twist with your arms? That just opened the rotation. Now let's fine-tune the smallest joints. We finish with finesse because small joints create massive ripple effects. Your wrists affect your shoulders, your fingers influence your breath. Let's end with intention. Extend arms forward or to the side. Roll your wrists slowly, both directions. Squeeze and release your fingers. Explore your range. You're going to feel a warmth in the forearms, ease in the hands, relaxation in the shoulders. Wrist mobility boosts blood flow, reduces strain during workouts, and calms your nervous system, especially in high-stress mornings. Releasing tension in your wrists can relieve neck pain and headaches. Slow the roll. Make every circle count. 5 more seconds. Are your hands moving or truly relaxing? That just completed your circuit, top to bottom, you're connected. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.